L'anglais est facile à apprendre.
English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn.
J'étudie depuis 2 heures.
I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours.
Je dois repasser ma chemise.
I have to iron my shirt. I have to iron my shirt.
Ne me demandez pas d'argent.
Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money.
Il a toujours été gentil avec moi.
He's always been kind to me. He's always been kind to me.
Un piano coûte cher.
A piano is expensive. A piano is expensive.
Ce genre de robe est maintenant à la mode.
That kind of dress is now in fashion. That kind of dress is now in fashion.
Lave bien tes mains.
Wash your hands well. Wash your hands well.
J'ai mangé un hamburger et j'en ai commandé encore un.
I ate a hamburger and ordered another. I ate a hamburger and ordered another.
Votre vélo est meilleur que le mien.
Your bike is better than mine. Your bike is better than mine.
S'il vous plaît, ouvrez la fenêtre.
Please open the window. Please open the window.
Je dois prendre un peu de sommeil.
I need to get some sleep. I need to get some sleep.
Peu importe d'où il vient.
It doesn't matter where he comes from. It doesn't matter where he comes from.
Qui est ton professeur?
Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher?
Il a tort, à l'évidence.
Obviously, he is wrong. Obviously, he is wrong.
Son visage est devenu rouge.
Her face turned red. Her face turned red.
Je ne suis pas d'accord pour qu'elle y aille seule.
I object to her going there alone. I object to her going there alone.
Je suis accoutumée au temps froid.
I am accustomed to cold weather. I am accustomed to cold weather.
J'ai une idée.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
Il l'aime.
He loves her. He loves her.
Je suis trop occupée pour l'aider.
I'm too busy to help him. I'm too busy to help him.
Répondez au téléphone.
Answer the phone. Answer the phone.
Il fait vraiment chaud ici.
It's very hot here. It's very hot here.
Je n'ai pas encore fini mes devoirs.
I haven't finished my homework yet. I haven't finished my homework yet.
Je suis tombée amoureux d'elle au premier coup.
I fell in love with her at first sight. I fell in love with her at first sight.
Un vent fort soufflait.
A strong wind was blowing. A strong wind was blowing.
Ce qui se passerait?
What would happen? What would happen?
La réunion, en bref, était une perte de temps.
The meeting, in short, was a waste of time. The meeting, in short, was a waste of time.
Il écrit des livres.
He writes books. He writes books.
Quand les avez-vous vus pour la première fois?
When did you see them first? When did you see them first?
Elle a bourlingué partout dans le monde.
She traveled all over the world. She traveled all over the world.
Il nage bien.
He can swim well. He can swim well.
Mon oncle m'a donné un appareil photo.
My uncle gave me a camera. My uncle gave me a camera.
Puis-je l'essayer?
May I try it on? May I try it on?
J'espère que vous allez vous rétablir bientôt.
I hope that you will get well soon. I hope that you will get well soon.
C'est sa spécialité.
That's his specialty. That's his specialty.
Quel malchanceux je suis!
How unlucky I am. How unlucky I am.
Il se lève tôt.
He wakes up early. He wakes up early.
Lui avez-vous téléphoné?
Did you telephone him? Did you telephone him?
J'ai envie de pleurer.
I felt like crying. I felt like crying.
Est-ce que ce bus va à la plage?
Does this bus go to the beach? Does this bus go to the beach?
Il a décidé d'aller à l'étranger.
He decided to go abroad. He decided to go abroad.
Je compte sur toi.
I am counting on you. I am counting on you.
Je t'attendrai.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you.
Puis-je te demander quelque chose?
May I ask you something? May I ask you something?
Actuellement, êtes-vous occupé?
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
La nourriture commence à faire froid.
The food is getting cold. The food is getting cold.
J'ai beaucoup d'amis à l'étranger.
I have many friends in foreign countries. I have many friends in foreign countries.
C'est un personnage passif.
He has a passive character. He has a passive character.
Ce chapeau est à moi.
This hat is mine. This hat is mine.
Mon travail est fini.
My work is finished. My work is finished.
Qu'est-ce que tu préfères, les pommes ou les bananes?
Which do you prefer, apples or bananas? Which do you prefer, apples or bananas?
Je t'appellerai plus tard dans la journée.
I'll call you later today. I'll call you later today.
Je ne peux pas vérifier mon courrier parce que le serveur est en panne.
I can't check my mail because the server is down. I can't check my mail because the server is down.
Je suis terriblement désolée.
I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry.
N'oublie pas de m'écrire.
Don't forget to write to me. Don't forget to write to me.
Tom veut aller au Japon.
Tom wants to go to Japan. Tom wants to go to Japan.
Je ne peux pas y aller, ni ne le veux.
I can't go, nor do I want to. I can't go, nor do I want to.
J'ai besoin de papier.
I need some paper. I need some paper.
Prends soin de toi, s'il te plaît.
Please take care of yourself. Please take care of yourself.
Il est très en colère contre toi.
He's very angry with you. He's very angry with you.
Raconte-moi l'histoire.
Tell me the story. Tell me the story.
Je suis resté debout jusqu'à tard hier soir.
I stayed up late last night. I stayed up late last night.
Je n'aime pas cette montre.
I don't like this watch. I don't like this watch.
Est-ce difficile de parler anglais?
Is it hard to speak English? Is it hard to speak English?
Tu as de nouveau commis exactement la même erreur.
You have made the very same mistake again. You have made the very same mistake again.
Ces livres sont les nôtres.
These books are ours. These books are ours.
Garde cet argent pour moi.
Keep this money for me. Keep this money for me.
Les prix ont bondi.
Prices have jumped. Prices have jumped.
Tu as l'air pâle.
You look pale. You look pale.
Nous dépendons de toi.
We depend on you. We depend on you.
Ce livre est à vous.
This book is yours. This book is yours.
Ce fut un gros choc pour moi.
It was a great shock to me. It was a great shock to me.
Sans eau, les plantes meurent.
Plants die without water. Plants die without water.
Étais-tu à la maison la nuit dernière?
Were you at home last night? Were you at home last night?
Je ne peux pas m'empêcher de pleurer.
I can't help crying. I can't help crying.
Ils ont 2 filles.
They have 2 daughters. They have 2 daughters.
Un chauffeur dormait dans la voiture.
A driver was sleeping in the car. A driver was sleeping in the car.
Je n'aurais pas dû me lever si tôt.
I shouldn't have gotten up so early. I shouldn't have gotten up so early.
À qui est ce crayon?
Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this?
J'aime votre voiture.
I like your car. I like your car.
Je ne peux pas supporter le bruit.
I can't stand the noise. I can't stand the noise.
Je voulais des chaussures rouges.
I wanted red shoes. I wanted red shoes.
Ils ne sont pas intéressés à économiser de l'argent.
They are not interested in saving money. They are not interested in saving money.
C'est leur maison.
This is their house. This is their house.
Tu avais tort après tout.
You were wrong after all. You were wrong after all.
Je le pense.
I think so. I think so.
Ce livre n'est pas à vendre.
This book is not for sale. This book is not for sale.
Il s'est cogné le genou contre la chaise.
He knocked his knee against the chair. He knocked his knee against the chair.
L'as-tu déjà appelé?
Have you called her yet? Have you called her yet?